Banking chapter main important formula RD formula simple interest PTR by 100 we know that. So interest formula I'll check here. Interest formula, this is the important formula. Principal find करने के लिए भी ये formula n value find or rate of interest everything we have to use this only. P into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 by into r by 100. Then a maturity formula P into n plus I, principal into n means that is a total amount है. So maturity value is equal to total amount plus interest भी लिख सकते हैं. Then total amount deposited in a bank RD account में formula P into n, principal into n. Then interest, when to find the interest, maturity value minus total amount into n means P into n. Maturity value means RD into n. This also we can use. So main important formula interest, this is a formula, and this MV, principal into n plus I, or MV is equal to total amount plus interest. P into n means total amount only. To find the total amount, that is P into n. These three formula are very important. हम लोग आज बैंकिंग चैप्टर के होल क्वेश्चन पेपर्स हम देखेंगे. दिस इज 2020-25 में पूछा हुआ है. सो हियर मिस्टर हर्ज डिपॉजिटेड ₹500 पर मंथ. डिपॉजिट कितना है? 500 per month. So principal is 500 and 18 month in a recurring deposit. RD कितना है? Recurring deposit बोला तो RD है 18 months. So always we have to calculate interest on a month, number of month. Recurring deposit account at a certain rate. If he earns ₹570 has a interest, so interest value also given. Interest value भी दिया हुआ है in this question. In the time of maturity, then the matured amount is, we have to find matured amount. So main, it is not for interest is given. First write what informations are given in the question. Information कितने information दिया हुआ है. So how much information are given here? Arjun deposited. Always deposited is always principal amount ₹500. Okay. Month of 18 month. 18 month means n is 18 month. N is 18 month. At a certain rate, if he earns ₹570 as interest, so interest also given. Interest is ₹570. First you have to learn all formula related to this chapter, then only the chapter will become easy. Okay, interest also given 570. We have to find the maturity amount. Maturity amount MA is equal to question mark. So when principal n is there and interest, so we can find with the easy formula, maturity formula. So here maturity amount we have to find. Principal question पे दिया हुआ है. Number of months also given in the question and interest also given in the question. Okay, so here principal how much? 500 into n how much? 18 month plus interest is 570 rupees. So 500 into 18 become 9,000. 18 and 5 is 9,000. 9,000. Okay, 500 into 18 is 9,000 plus 570. 9,000 plus 570 is 9,570 rupees. 9,570 is rupees. From the options, which is the correct one? 500 into 18 plus 570. 500 into 18 plus 570. The option first one is correct. 500 into 18 plus 570. So we'll write the answer as, आंसर कैसे लिखते हैं? ऑप्शन ए ₹500 into 8 plus 570. This is our answer. Hello children, this is 2020-25 4 marks question. 4 marks question banking chapter पे Mr. Rao deposited rupees 250. So principal is 250 month for a RD period of 3 years. Account for RD 3 period of 3 years. She received 10,110 rupees 10,110 10,110 10,000 she received rupees 10,110 at the time of maturity. So maturity value is given and principal is given, month also given. The rate of interest we have to find and simple interest also we have to find. Then how much more interest Mr. Rao will receive if she had deposited 50 more per month. So for the help of simple interest formula, we find the rate of interest. Then maturity value is given. So with the help of that, we can find the remaining part, rate of interest. Okay. अभी मिस्टर राव ने कितने डिपॉजिट किया है प्रिंसिपल प्रिंसिपल इज 200 प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट इज rupees 250. Then per month period is 3 years. The period is 3 means n is equal to 3 year is equal to 3 12 or 12 3 36 month. 12 month पे convert करना है. Then 3 years she received 10,110 at the time of maturity means maturity value is 10,110 rupees लिखना चाहिए. Okay, principal 250 है, number of years 3 years means 36 month बनता है. Maturity value means last time maturity value is 10,110 rupees है. So here rate of interest question mark, R is question mark and interest simple interest also we have to find. First we'll find the simple interest. Rate of interest के लिए formula नहीं है. With the help of simple interest formula we can find the simple interest is equal to P into n plus 1 r into r by 2 into 12 into 100. 2 into 12 into 100. This is the formula. So here simple interest we don't know. So we'll write principal as 250 into n is 3 years means 36 month into the n plus 1 means 36 plus 1 become 37 into r we don't know 2 into 12 into 100 2 into 12 into 100. So here 250 into 36 become 250 into 36 is 9,000. 250 into 36 multiply किया तो 9,000 बनता है into 37 into r by 2 into 12 into 100. Okay, so here 20 cancel, then 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 930, again 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 5s are 15. Okay, 0 0 cancel, 2 4s are 3 4s are 3 30s are 90 and 2 2s are 2 15s are 30. Now we have to multiply 15 into 37 divided by 2. Okay, so here 15 into 37 into r by 2 into 2 is 4. So हमको मिलता है 15 into 37. 15 into 37 is 555 r by 4. So this is the interest value. So we'll write interest as interest कितना मिला? Interest is equal to 555 r by 4. If we convert divide means we get the decimal number. So no need to divide. We'll find the remaining things. Okay. Okay, Mr. Rao deposited 250. So principal 250, the number of years 3 years, maturity value 10,110. And then formula with formula. So interest is now 555 r by 4. Now with the help of so principal interest, rate of interest and interest, both we have to find. इंटरेस्ट के लिए इंटरेस्ट हमको मिला 555 r by 4. अभी मेच्योरिटी वैल्यू, विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस मेच्योरिटी वैल्यू वी कैन फाइंड एनी वन. ओके, सो मेच्योरिटी वैल्यू इक्वल फार्मूला मेच्योरिटी वैल्यू के p into n plus I. So here principal is maturity value is given 10,110. Maturity value is 10,110. P into n, principal is how much? 250 into 36 plus interest. Interest is how much? 555 r by 4. Triple five r by 4, 10,110, 250 into 386 plus 555 r by 4. So 10,110 equal 250 into 36 is 9,000 plus 555 4r. Now we have to find the value of r. So 10,110 plus 9,000 इधर आने पे माइनस बनता है 9,000. So 555 by 4r. 10,110 minus 9,000. So 10,110 minus 9,000. So answer we get after subtracting 1,110. Subtraction के बाद 1,110 मिलता है. 555. So 555 by 4r. 555 by 4r. So abhi here it is a fraction. So make it fraction by 1. Then cross multiply. LCM of 555r into 1 banta. 555r into 1 is same thing. 555r. 1,110 into 1,110 into 4. So we have to find the value of r. So r is equal to 1,110 into 4 divided by 555. So 555 ones are 2s are देखने में. So 5 2s are, so if multiply just side पे 555 into 2 multiply करके देखना. So we get similar way, same number. So 555 ones are 555 2s are मिलता है. 555 ones are 555 2s are is 1,100. So r is equal to 2 into 4 is 8%. R is equal to 8%. Rate of interest is 8%. So now we have to find the yes, rate of interest is 8%. So question is about the rate of interest only. So question is about the rate of interest. So rate of interest is 8%. Now how much more interest Mr. Rao will receive if she had deposited 50? How much more interest Mr. Rao will receive if she had deposited 50 more per month at the same rate of interest for the same time? So this is a question answer. A question का value है. Now we have to find the B1. How much more interest Mr. Rao will receive if she had deposited rupees 50? So here same question, principal 50 and number of year 36 month, rate of interest अभी find किया है 8%. Interest we have to find. Means the B question we are find. B question कर रहे हैं. How much more interest Mr. Rao will receive if she had deposited 50? So principal 50 लिखा है. More per month at the same rate of interest and the same time. So month and time are 3 years and rate of interest we find it here 8%. Rate of interest here 8%, right? So हमको प्रिंसिपल 50 लिखा है, मंथ 36, रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट अभी फाइंड किए थे 8% एंड सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. सो फार्मूला वी हैव टू राइट. ओके, नाउ प्रिंसिपल कितना हुआ है 50 number of months 36 into n is 36, n plus 1 means 37, into a rate of interest is 8% by 2 into 12 into 100. Now 56 or 3. Yes, I made a mistake here. Can you guess what is a mistake? How much more interest Mr. Rao will receive if she had deposited 50 more per month? 50 more per month. So ये 250 रुपीज़ है ना प्रिंसिपल, उससे 50 ऐड करना चाहिए. ओके, सो व्हाट मिस्टेक? सो इट इज़ नॉट अ 50, 250 प्लस 50. सो आई वांट टू चेक हाउ कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड. आपको मालूम पड़ता है नहीं. Now will receive, she had deposited 50 more. So we have to add 250 plus 50. So your principal amount is not 50, it is 300. Means 250 plus 50 more. 250 plus 250 more. So it is a 300. That is a mistake I made. So 300 into 36 or 37 into 8 by 2. So I'll write it here. 300 into 36, 37 into 8, 2 into 12 into 100 become 2 12s are 24, into 100 is 2400. Okay, now we can cancel 2020. 12 3s are 36, 12 2s are 24, 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. So 3 into 3 into 37 into 3 into 3 into 37 into 4. How much? 3 into 3 9. 9 into 37 is 9 into 37 into 4. 9 into 37 is 1333. 333. 9 into 37 कितना मिलता है? 333. 333 into 4. 937 into 9 मल्टीप्लाई करने में हमको 333 मिलता है. Into this 4 means we get the answer as 1332 rupees. Just multiply here. 3 into 33, 3 is 9. 9 into 37 is 333 into 4 rupees 1332. So hence we have to find the difference amount. So simple interest he get as B answer. Simple interest he get as 1332 rupees. Hence difference amount is, so first one this is 1332 when 50 rupees added more, and here we got as 1000. It is given in the question 10,110. No, 1110. So what is the interest value? Interest value we written in 355 R4. So what is the actual value for that? 355 R4 means I is equal to 355 R4. So interest कितना बनता है यहाँ पे? I is equal to 355. Rate of interest कितना है? 8. 8 by 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So 355 into 2 is 1110 rupees. So interest is 1110. Okay. Therefore interest amount is 1110 rupees. Okay. This interest we didn't find it. The difference amount. So here difference amount is 1332. 50 rupees add करने पे minus the difference. What the difference amount here? Difference amount interest हमको 552 R by 4. So simply substituting value means we get 1110 has a interest that time. 1110 rupees. So 1332 minus 1110 means 200. 222 rupees are the difference amount. These are the difference amount. So how we find it? First principal number of months 36, maturity value 10,110, rate of interest question mark, interest question mark. So with the help of rate of interest formula, we find the interest value. So here R also we have to find, I also we have to find. So I is equal to, after finding we get I is equal to 555 R by 4. After that, rate of interest we can find with the help of maturity value. So maturity value formula P into N plus I. With the help of that, we simplify R is equal to 8%. 8%. So here we have to find I is how much, simple interest is how much, simplify that. I is equal to 555 R by 4. So 555 into rate of interest we अभी फाइंड किया था 8 डिवाइड बाई 4 वन ज़ा 4 टू ज़ा. सो हमको इंटरेस्ट कितने मिला है 1110. But again in question it is asked how much more interest Mr. Rao will receive if she had deposited 50 more and the rate of interest month are the same. So here again we have to find principal is 300 to 50, first one or 50 more किया इंक्रीज हुआ. सो प्रिंसिपल 250 आरडी अकाउंट में पहले डिपॉजिट करते थे और नेक्स्ट ईयर क्या है अभी 50 रुपीज़ ज़्यादा बने तो सो हमको मिलता है 300 रुपीज़. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द सिंपल इंटरेस्ट एंड डिफरेंस बिटवीन द अमाउंट ऑल्सो. एंड नंबर ऑफ मंथ इज द सेम, रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट नाउ ओनली वी फाइंड इट, अभी फाइंड किया है, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट फाइंड करेंगे. विद द हेल्प ऑफ फार्मूला वी गेट सिंपल इंटरेस्ट एज 1332. सो डिफरेंस करेंगे. सो दिस इज द प्रेजेंट अमाउंट सिंपल इंटरेस्ट 1332 एंड द इंटरेस्ट वैल्यू प्रीवियस इंटरेस्ट वैल्यू दैट इज इंटरेस्ट का 555 R by 4 को सिंप्लीफाई करें तो हमको 1110 आ जाए. 250 रुपीज़ का इंटरेस्ट है. So after subtracting that we get 222 rupees as a difference amount.